Hi, my name is Kirsten and I'm the teacher.
Hi, my name's Kat and I'm the athlete.
Hockey skill, dribbling. Picture of hockey stick, bell tennis ball, beeping frisbee, blind hockey puck, polyspot, sound source, tactile maps, tactile hockey diagrams, artist's figurine.
In this video, we are going to discuss the hockey skill of dribbling and explore different teaching methods and drills for teaching this skill in a PE setting. For all skills, before beginning instruction in the classroom, it is essential to spend some time pre-teaching the skill to the athlete to ensure that they come into the classroom with the same foundational knowledge as their peers.
Use a tactile diagram to demonstrate the movement.
So Kat, in our tactile diagram, we're going to start on the far left side, and we have someone dribbling, and they have their feet about shoulder width apart, and they have the hockey stick in their hands. They have their knees bent a little bit in an athletic stance, and they are keeping the ball close to them. And as they move down the court, they are going to tap the ball left, right in little taps so that they keep the ball close to them, making it harder for their opponents to get the ball or puck from them and keep control of it before they pass or shoot the ball.
Use an artist's figurine with the athlete to demonstrate the movement.
Now that I have an artist figurine in my hand, would you like to make the movement on the artist figurine?
Yes.
Great. Let's start with our bottom half and get them in an athletic stance. I like that so that they are getting a little bit lower to the ground, but I like how you said it was slightly since they're not bent all the way over in half. Is this person going to be left-handed or right-handed?
Left-handed.
Okay, so the left hand will be lower on the stick, giving good control to the stick, and the right hand will be up higher on the stick.
Use tactile modeling to demonstrate the movement.
So I am left-handed as well, so I'm going to hold the stick with my left hand low on the stick, and I have my knees bent, and they're just slightly bent, so I'm not sitting all the way in the chair, I'm hovering over a chair. My back is bent just a little bit. My back is flat, but I'm bent a little bit at the hips. I hold the hockey stick low with my left hand, so my left hand is at about knee level, and my thumb on my left hand is closer to the bottom of the stick, and my pinky is closer to the top, giving myself a comfortable grip, and my right hand is at the top of the stick. Would you like to feel how my hands are on the stick?
Yes.
Great.
I'm on your right side, feeling your right arm.
Perfect. So you can feel how my hands are close to my body, keeping good control. All right.
I'm on your right side, feeling your right knee.
Perfect. And now if you put one hand on my elbow and one on my shoulder, you can feel how I'm going to tap the stick left and right if I was tapping a ball. These are really tiny movements where my arms aren't moving very far away from the ball. Would you like to try this movement?
Yes.
Great. I'll pass the stick to you. Nice job. You can even move that right hand down a little bit. Good. If you want to, you can curl your right thumb over your hand.
Okay.
Nice. And you want to keep that finger wrapped around the stick to protect it. Mm-hmm. Nice. And you can take little movements, tap left and right. Nice. And sit back a little bit and unbend your knees just a hair. There you go.
Use a tactile map to familiarize the athlete with gameplay.
We have marked out where both of our goals would be, and then we have a little zigzag line. So if we can start the first goal, and that's marked by a polyspot right now. And then we're going to go a little bit to the left, dribble the ball to the left, and you'll find a polyspot, go around the polyspot, and then go to the right to find the next polyspot, and then back to the left to find our third polyspot, and then a little bit to the right and end at our final polyspot, which would be our goal. Our first drill that we are going to be doing is dribbling around these poly spots and keeping control of the ball.
Use polyspots to guide the athlete through the skill.
All right, so we are going to practice some hockey dribbling by dribbling through the path that we had talked about on our tactile map. Are you ready to go?
Yes. May you check my stance?
Yes. So I like how your elbows are bent in and close to your body. Your right hand is at a good level since it's at knee level. You have a good comfortable grip on the stick with your hands. It's a good bend in your knees. I'm going to place the ball next to your stick so that you are starting in a place ready for success. And I'm going to stand up and go to our first poly spot, and you can dribble towards me. Little taps left and right. Nice job. And then we'll go to our second poly spot. Nice, good control. I like that. And we'll go to our final poly spot as our goal. Nice job.
Thank you.
Be patient. It may take several attempts for the athlete to progress in the skill.
And so that was the skill of hockey dribbling. With good communication, patient teaching, and fully accessible equipment, all skills in hockey can be made fully accessible to students who are blind or visually impaired.
For more, visit the Sports Adaptations page at www.nwaba.org. Thank you for watching. Slide of NWABA logo.